right, well, we just got to the spot, and Hunter and John found a little feed for us this morning. We tried snow goose hunting this morning, and after that, they went scouting. We all went scouting. So we're gonna set up on a little duck feed, as you guys can tell. In the back, it is windy. We got snow blowing, so should be a good day. We just got everything out of the trailer. Got all the layouts. Sam is already gassed.
I'm ready for a nap, man. I never got my midday nap.
Oofda. So we got to walk out into this field, and it is quite chilly. So we're gonna get the show on the road. But today, this video is brought to you by Tidewee. We're ripping the old heated duck jacket today, of course. Finally decided to put the battery packs in because it has been quite cold out. So if you guys are looking for a super nice warm jacket, you guys can check out Tidwee's duck hunting jacket here. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys. You guys can save 18% on all Tidewee gear this year using my code SWEARY18. I'll also put that down below for you guys. But we're gonna get the show on the road, go get the spread set out, and start walking. See you, bucko. So we just got a whole bag of Silos out, a couple spinners, and then we got our layouts back here. We got them all blown in with snow. We got birds working the spread already. So we're gonna get in and start banging them. Hey, these are a little low. Shoot it?
Shoot it. Cover back in.
Oh yeah, they probably can't hear us. That thing? That ought to hurt. Not gonna lie, I did not think I was gonna hit that second shot. Up front, straight. Alright. Oh! Real bad for that thing.
Big log came over too. That's all good.
Oh, alright. Hunter, that's you, buddy.
That boy got pillowcase.
Oh.
That's alright.
Should we fix that mojo quick?
They landed way down there. Go to 100.
little close to that hen. Hey, they's up behind us again. Perfect. Well, as you guys can tell, it's about Hurricane Katrina out here. She's blowing Mach 30, but we are killing ducks. It's been a good start. I've got 3 mallards down, 3 greenheads. Hunter's got a couple, and Sam's got a couple down there. So the snow just started to roll in, so it should be pretty good. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep banging at them. Hit him twice. I know. I thought he was gonna do a backflip. All right, well, we decided to pick up some ducks because they were landing with this one I sailed earlier. Just a single dead duck out here. No band, but super nice greenheads. We're gonna get back to the spread and hopefully kill some more. As you can tell, it is extremely windy out here. Well, we're gonna try putting these birds right here just because they were landing on the dead one. So we're gonna put these in our kill hole, get back in the blind. Uh-oh. Oh, just hold them. Daddy,
Daddy, chill.
sorry, bro. The thing was high, a little high.
You only got one more now?
2, oh, nope, 1 mallard and a bonus.
A wedge and like what?
I did see a couple wedge.
I saw some wedge in there, yeah.
One fucking window?
Well, 1 more mallard to go. And then I gotta kill some wedge. Oh, a wing just fell off the mojo.
Oh shit.
I've never seen that happen before. I think that means it's windy out here or something. Slayman! Oh, he's down. You might want to get that one.
Go get yours.
Ah. Most definitely picking up here. Sam just shot that widgeon. Go and grab my greenhead I got. And visibility is pretty slim. They're gonna be sitting over the decoys by the time we see them.
Damn, boy.
I think so. Kill him.
Oh my God.
I was waiting for Hunter to shoot.
I thought you were shooting.
Huh?
Aren't you limited on mallards?
No. No? I need 1 more. Let him come up. Kill? Uh-oh, I got hung up. It was unfortunate. My gun got caught up on my blind, so I couldn't pull up very well, and then I missed. So, there's that. Wanna try them? Some wedge.
Got my fifth one.
You fucking lost that, bro. That was a freaking poke.
Wait, did you guys shoot?
I didn't shoot.
kill the one on the right?
Yeah, or no, on the left.
Oh, okay, so I did kill the one on the right.
Yeah.
Well, I got my last mallard, I believe. We're gonna see. There's a few widge mixed in. I was trying to shoot a widge, but pretty sure I hit a mallard. Well, that indeed was a widgeon that I knocked down. So I actually have one more mallard to go. I've got 5 ducks. Hunter has 5 mallards. Sam's got his 6. John needs a couple more ducks as well. So we're gonna keep banging away, and hopefully we can get a little limit here. The wind is still ripping and the snow is still blowing, as you guys can probably tell. Everything is just covered in snow, ice. It's pretty brutal out here, but the ducks are doing it and we're having a good time. So we're gonna get back at it. Yeah, you're gonna die. All right, well, I'm not sure if the GoPro just died right there, but I just killed my final greenhead. I'm gonna go pick it up and I'll show you what we got. Oh, that's a big duck. And a little triple curl. Woo! That thing's a freaking stud. Oh, that's a kickback. Yeah. Triple curl. Well, we're gonna get all these ducks together and we'll see what we all got. All right. Well, this is what we got down. Little stack of green beans and a couple bonus wedge. So we were 1 short of our limit and we couldn't find any more wedge or anything to come in, and the weather is pretty brutal out here, so we're just gonna call it a day. John didn't even shoot anything because he can't see. We're gonna get this thing packed up. We gotta, oh, those are divers, aren't they? Yeah. We're gonna get this thing all packed up. It was a pretty awesome day here in the snow and wind. Definitely a hunter's paradise if you can brave the cold. So we're gonna wrap this thing up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. And again, if you guys want to check out any Tide Weed gear, it'll be linked down below in the description.